What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to DC Unplugged, and we finally have ourselves a Lightning V2 to unbox. Thank you very much to Joe, who is a follower of the channel and, well, now a supporter as well, which he has been, but in a different way. So thank you very much, Joe. And definitely leave down in the comment section below, guys, because this wouldn't have happened if it wasn't for Joe. So definitely leave a comment down below and thanking Joe for letting us unbox his very own Lightning V2, which is a pretty special occasion for anyone buying a new scooter. So thank you very much, Joe. But we have one thing to do on this channel, and that is to open this box. So let's get straight into it. And... but before we do that, definitely think about liking and subscribing to the channel, because we wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. So definitely like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below as well, because it helps the YouTube algorithm let them know that you liked this video. So definitely do that, and it helps obviously support myself. So anyway, let's carry on. All right, guys, opening the box. So it looks like we have a box within a box, and it is really well protected, like most dragons that we've unboxed on the channel. Yeah, let's have a look inside, shall we? All right, so as you can see here, we've got a box within a box, really well packaged, got styrofoam in there. Yeah, looking good. So as for packing away, it looks like it's been really well looked after. We've got that new throttle there, looking pretty. Little eyelet glass. Ooh. We've got the new dragon logo down there. That looks cool. Anyway, let's get this thing out of the box. Let's do this. All right, so you guys have a better visual. Let's cut this on the front. Joe, if you have a flat tire, it wasn't me. I swear I didn't puncture it with my knife. All right, let's have a look. Wow, well packaged. We have our normal Dragon box of goodies. So this will house our user manual and probably a toolkit, which we'll probably need that to put the scooter together. Yep. So, here we go, guys. This is what's in the box. So, if I keep it open. So, we have Dragon Scooters user manual for a Lightning V2. Excellent, we shall put that there. It's a nice little toolkit. These are good to actually have in your, if you have a scooter bag, whether that be a backpack or something like that, keeping these in there is actually a really good idea to do any adjustments on the fly. And of course, we have our charger cable and the charger brick, which charges at maximum of 67.2 at 3.5 amps. So this is actually a pretty reasonably quick scooter charger. Nice. Actually looks really nice too. Feels weighty. And let's get into that box. All right, guys, first things first, let's get these bars free. There we go. And hey, first look at that steering dampener, looking good. Typical Lightning latch. I love that. I love that about my old Lightning. It is good to see it is still there. All right, let's get ourselves some Allen keys. Easy as this, guys. We just unbolt the 4 little Allen keys here, and we just mount the bars up, which is really simple to do, which is great. Means you can get scooting very quickly. All right, guys, so when you're mounting the bars, making sure that you actually do put them on the right way. The trigger is always on the right-hand side. That way it makes it easy to not make them go in the wrong way. All right, so we've got the bars mounted now. There's just simply 4 Allen keys. Make sure that they're lined up in the center, which there's like a little ridge, like ribbing. When you just line that up, there's a nice clear visible opening in the bars, which I'll show you. So as you can see here, guys, this is the ribbing. So this actually bites into this clamp. So then that way it stops the bars from moving. But yeah, 4 easy Allen keys and we're done. Now we just have to connect the display wires together, which is just here and here. And it looks like that's pretty much it. Oh, and we've got these two here for the screen as well. So this is pretty easy, guys. So we have a male and a female connector, and down on the harness here we've got a female and a male. So this is pretty easy. We just grab our male, it's going to go straight down to that plug down there. There is a key joint there, like a little tiny little key, so you can only go in one way. Slowly put this in. You do not want to bend these keys, so we'll put this in there, visually line it up, click for it's going in, and this one too. And there are tiny little arrows on the top there. You will see them. It'll be kind of hard to see. You can kind of see it there. There is little arrows there. You just got to line those up and click them in. That's pretty much it. All right, so let's get this. Now that we've done the screen, we're not going to turn it on yet. We're going to get it out of here and remove all this stuff, but let's get it out and have our very first look at it entirely. Let's do it. So there it is out of the box, guys. We've just got some final little tiny adjustments to do up here, but I think we're all waiting for one thing, and that is to do the first start and see the new screen. So let's waste no more time, get you in closer, and let's start that screen up for the first time. All right, so keys are in, power is on, and then hold power for the first startup. Let's get a gauge of that. Oh, that's sick. The old rev match, that's cool. Reminds me so much of like Lamborghinis and Audis. That's sick. That's a cool touch. That is a really cool touch. So what do we got on here? Have we got a wheelie mode? Is that what that is? Wheelie mode? Wow, and you can see a little person wheeling on the screen. That's so cool. We got park. So if we go over here, we've got our, what's that? We've got power, minus, and we've got mode as well. So if we go, oh yep, so that's your gears. Oh cool, you can actually put it in the park. That's sick. All right, that's cool. That is a first. Most scooters you can't put in the park. What does mode do? Oh, it still changes that too. There you go. Right. So plus and mode, where's the negative? Does that go down? No? What if we go, okay, negative does nothing. Okay, we'll find out what that does later on. But that screen is really cool, and I really do like that startup. That is sick. That's cool. And to the left, we got some indicators. Oh, yep. We got indicators on the back there. Nice, nice. Do we have it on the dash though? No, we do not. Okay. Lights. No light. We do have the iconic blue lightning bolt along the side. Lights up the front as well. We really got to get this Firestone sorted out, and then obviously the rear brakes as well. Yes. Oh, it's so good seeing another Lightning, guys. I'm really excited for this. One more thing, does it have a loud horn, or is it quite like the old Lightning? It is definitely loud. Cool, excellent. All right, well, let's get some money shots of this, and we'll see you all in the next video for the review of this scooter.